787 square. 787 square. This is 13 place away from 800. 13 place away from 800. So I will make a square of 13. That is 169. We want 2-digit number here. I have to carry this number over here. 787 minus 13 is 774. Multiply, since we have taken base of 800, so multiply this by 8. What is this multiplication? 8 4 are 32, carry 3. 8 7 are 56 plus 3. 8 4 are 32, carry 2, carry 3. 8 7 are 56 plus 3, 59, carry 5. 8 7 are 56 plus 5, 61. So this 787 square is 619369. Check your answer. 787 is 13 place away from 800. So we have taken base, that is 8. 800 base we have taken. (787) is 13 place away from 800. We have taken base as 800. 13 square is 169. 787 minus 13 is 774. Since we have taken base 800, multiply this by 8. 774 multiplied by 8 is 6192. We want only 2-digit number here. So we have to carry this 1 to this side. It becomes 619369. 889 square. Same. This is 11 place away from 900. So what we have taken? We have taken 900 as base. 11 square, I will write 121 first. Since I want 2-digit number over here, I have to carry this 1 to this side. 889 minus 11 is 878. I have taken base, that is 900, so multiplied by 9. 9 is 72, carry 7. 9 7 are 63 plus 7, 70, carry 7. 9 is 72 plus 7, 79. Take the multiplication. 889 square is 790321. 889 is 11 place away from 900. So make square of 11, that is 121. We want only 2-digit number over. We have to carry this one at this side. 889 minus 11 is 878. We have taken base as 900. So multiply this by 9. So 7902. 1 carried, 790321. Now we'll move to next, that is cubes. All of you know 1 cube, 1, 2 cube, 8, 3 cube, 27. We are finding cubes by formula a plus b cube. What is a plus b cube? A plus b cube is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Before that, you must know cubes from 1 to 10 at least. 12 cube. B cube. B is 2 here. 2 cube. Write down 8. 3 AB square. 3 into 1. 3 into 2 square. 4 into 3. That is 12. Carry 1. 3 into 2 into 1 square. 6 plus 1, 7. And 1 cube is 1. Once again, 2 cube is 8. 3ab square. 3 into a into b square. 2 square is 4. 4 into 3, 12. Carry 1. 3a square b. 3 into a square is 1 into b. 6 plus carried 1, 7. A cube is 1. Using this formula, we are making square of again 16 cube. 16 cube. We are making cubes. 16 cube. Write down 6 cube. What is 6 cube? 216. Carry 21. 3 into a into b square. 108 plus 21. 3 into a into b square plus carried 21, that is 129. I will write 9 here, carry 12. 3 into a square b, that is 18, plus carried 12. It will be 30. So I will write 0 here. Carry now 3. 1 cube. 1 plus carried number 3 is 4. So 4096. (21 cube). First, I will write b cube is 1. Second step is 3ab square. 3 into 2 into 1 square. That is 6. Next step is 3a square b. 3 into 2 square into 1. That is 12. I will write 2, carry 1. 2 cube, 8 plus 1 is 9. 23 cube. First 3 cube 27 carried 2. Next 3 into a into b square 54 plus carried 2, it becomes 56. So write 6 carry 5. 3 into a square b is 36, carried 5 is 41. I will write 1, carry 4. 2 cube is 8 plus carried 4 is 12. Cube of any number you can find out by this way. Now we'll start to square root of any number. Square root of 2809. First, leave these two numbers. 28 is near to which square? 28 is near to 5 square. We want smaller number, 5 square. So I will write 5. When we get 9 as a unit digit in a square number, it can be 3 square as 9 or 7 square 49. In 7 square, we get 9 as a unit digit, and in 3 square, we get 9 as a unit digit. So your answer can be 53, can be 57. Now, 5 into next number. Always 5 into next number, 5 into 6. 5 into next number is 30. What is our number? Is smaller than 30 or bigger than 30? Our number is smaller. So which is smaller number from these two is 3. So your answer is 53. Finding square root of 2809. Taking 09, two numbers at one side, thinking about this remaining number, that is 28. 28 is near to which square? That is 5. 5 square is 25. 9 is unit digit in the square of 3 and in the square of 7. So answer can be 53 or 57. So always 5 into next number. Next number of 5 is 6. 5 into 6 is 30. When we are considering our number is smaller than 30, so choose smaller number from 3 and 7, that is 3. Your answer is 53. Square root of 5041. Taking two numbers at one side, 50. The square near to 50 is 49, that is 7. 1 square is 1, or 9 square 81. So we can get one unit digit when we are making square of 1 or 9 square 81. 7 into next number is 56. We'll think about our number 50, that is smaller, so your answer is 71. Square root of 12544. Taking these two numbers at one side, 125. The square near to 125 is 11. 11 square is 121. We'll think about unit digit 4. It can be 2 square as 4 or 8 square 64. Answer can be 112, 112 or 118. 11 into next number. 11 into next number, that is 132. We'll think about 125 is smaller than 132. So choose smaller number between 2 and 8, that is 2. So your answer is 112. Square root of 7921. Leaving last two numbers at one side, 79 is near to which square number? That is 81. 81 is a square of 9. We have to think about this one. 1 or 9. Oh, sorry. 79 is near to 8 square, 64. We want smaller number. 79, we want smaller than 79, a square number, that is 64. So we are writing 8. Now answer can be 81 or 89. 8 into next number is 72. 72. We have to think about our number, that is 79. 79 is a bigger number. So which is a bigger number from 1 and 9? That is 9. What is your answer? Answer is 89. Square root of 3364. Square root of 3364. Leaving last two numbers, we have to think about 33. 33 is near to which square? That is 5. 25. Now, think about this 4. 8 8s are 64 or 2 square 4. Answer can be 58 or 52. 5 into next number. 5 into 6 is 30. Think about this 33. 33 is bigger than 30. So take bigger number from this. Your answer is 58. Just try this 7744. Try this 7744. Leaving these last two numbers, think about 77. A square near to 77, that is 8. We have to think about 4. This can be 2 or 8. Next number of 8 is 9. So 8 into 9 is 72. Our number is bigger than 72. Think about this number, 77. This is bigger number. Choose the bigger number, that is 8. Your answer is 88. Cube root. So before coming to the cube root, you must know 1 cube, 1, 2 cube, 8, 3 cube, 27, 4 cube, 64, 5 cube, 125, 6 cube, 216, 7 cube, 343, 8 cube, 512, 9 cube, 729, and 10 cube, 1000. You must know this. Cube root of 9261. In square root, we take aside 2 numbers, but in cube root, take aside three numbers. Cube near to 9 is 8. So write down 2. Unit digit, just see 1 in the unit digit here is 1. So your answer is 21. Once again, leaving these 3 numbers, cube root. We are taking cube root of 9261. Taking 3 numbers aside, 9 is cube to near to which number? That is 2 cube is 8. Write down 2. Think about the unit digit 1. Where is 1? Here is 1. 1 is cube of 1. Write down 1 here. Cube root of 46656. Don't think about last 3 digits. Think about 46 first. The cube near to 46 and smaller than 46 is 27. 27 is cube of 3. So I will write 3. 6. Where you can see, find out 6 here, 6 here. Think about this 6. So your answer is Cube root of 46656. How to find the cube root? Leave three numbers. Think about 46. 46 is near to which cube? Smaller than 46. Which cube is here? Which 27? 27 is a cube of 3. So write down 3. Think about the unit digit 6. Where it is 6? Here. 216 is a cube of 6. Write down 6. So 46656. Cube root of this number is 36. Cube root of 5832. Cube root of 5832. Leaving these three numbers, leaving this three number 5, smaller than 5, here is only 1. So write down 1. 2, where we can see here 2, here. Write down 8. So cube root of 5832 is 18. Cube root of 456533. Cube root of 456. Don't think about these three numbers. 456 is near to which cube? 7 cube, 343. So I will write for this 7. 533. Think about 3. Where is 3? Here. 7. Cube root of 148877. Leave these three numbers. 148 is near to 125. So write down 5. Think about last number 7. Where you are finding 7? 7 is here. So think about the cube of that is 3. So cube root of 148877 is 53. Now you try some cube roots. Cube root of 262. Just try this. Cube root of 74088. Just try this number. Send me your answer on WhatsApp. We'll discuss. If you think this today's lecture is very fast, difficult to understand, just message me on my WhatsApp number. And if you think it is very slow, then again WhatsApp me. आप सर आपका स्पीड बढ़ाओ, जो भी आपको बोलना है वो. Some students send me answers of this too, but whatever your suggestion, just send me your suggestion on my WhatsApp number. Whatever your queries, we'll discuss in next lecture.